Gunther Plüschow, one of the most interesting characters of the whole war, as pilot of the only German plane at Tsingtao, allegedly shot down a Japanese plane with his pistol. This was the first aerial victory in aviation history. Plüschow then left the colony on the 6th, carrying documents and dispatches, but crash-landed in China. He escaped from China to the west, but was arrested by the British in Gibraltar and sent to a POW camp in Britain. After that, he became the only man in either world war to escape from Britain and make it back to Germany. True story.